Embark on a mission of cosmic discovery with remote control machines Space Explorers. Assemble your team by building 10 unique models, including Mars Rover, Space Probe, Rocket Launcher Car, Lunar Rover, Space Droid, Crosswing Starship, Space Shuttle Arm, Walking Bot, Space Shuttle, and Spaceship Control. The 6-button wireless remote allows you to control up to 3 motors simultaneously. With over 250 pieces, this kit has everything necessary for building a foundation in robotics and space exploration. A full-color manual will help you assemble your models, highlights real-world examples of the machines you are creating, and teaches you about the exciting frontiers of space exploration. Explore new worlds with remote control machines Space Explorers. Ages 8 and up. From Thames and Cosmos.